Let's take a journey through the mysterious world of Neptune, folks. Imagine we're setting sail on a cosmic adventure filled with science wonder. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride through the blue abyss. Picture this. It's a day in the not-so-distant future, and you're floating in the vastness of space. You look out of your spaceship's window and see Neptune in all its glory. It's big, it's blue, and it's about to blow your mind. Now, before we dive headfirst into the depths of Neptune, let's talk about what makes this distant planet tick. You see, Neptune is a real trickster. NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft gave us our first close-up look at Neptune back in 1989, and we've been learning more about it ever since. It looks calm and serene on the surface, like a tranquil lake on a summer day. But beneath that facade lies a world of chaos and violence. Neptune is, in fact, the 8th and farthest known planet from our Sun, a whopping 2.7 billion miles away from our cozy Earth. So what's this distant world made of? Well, about 80% of Neptune is composed of an icy concoction, a mix of water, methane, and ammonia. It's like a cosmic smoothie gone wrong. But don't get any ideas about bringing your yacht here. Neptune's oceans are far from welcoming. Now let's talk about the weather. Oh boy, Neptune's weather is a real showstopper. You might think that a gas giant like this would have calm breezes, but think again. Wind speeds on Neptune can reach up to a mind-boggling 550 meters per second. That's about 5 times stronger than the most ferocious gusts we encounter here on Earth. And it's twice as fast as the speed of sound. And here's the kicker. Neptune's atmosphere doesn't contain a hint of oxygen. So, if you're planning a trip, make sure to pack a hefty supply of oxygen to keep those lungs of yours happy. Now, as you descend towards Neptune's surface, the light starts to fade away. The brightest Neptune gets is just a dim twilight, so don't forget to bring a light source or some nifty night vision goggles. You wouldn't want to be stumbling around in the dark. But wait, it gets even crazier. Neptune's atmosphere is a real roller coaster of temperatures. As you descend, you'll first encounter freezing cold methane clouds. Trust me, that's really chilly, my fellow space explorers. But then, as you enter the thermosphere, things heat up dramatically to a scorching 477 degrees Celsius and 890 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than a pizza oven. And just when you think you've seen it all, you reach the stratosphere, where the pressure increases dramatically. The closer you get to Neptune's core, the hotter it gets. We're talking temperatures of around 7,000 degrees Celsius, 12,632 degrees Fahrenheit, which is similar to the surface of the Sun. Now, I don't know about you, but I like my skin right where it is, not sizzling like a pancake on a hot griddle. But guess what, folks? Neptune doesn't even have a solid surface. Nope, it's more like a slushy ice and water layer about 10,873 miles deep. So if you were hoping for a spectacular view, well, sorry to burst your bubble. The atmosphere here is so dense that you won't see a thing. However, as you finally pass through all that slush, you might stumble upon a hidden treasure. You see, the extreme pressure and temperature on Neptune can cause carbon atoms to form diamond structures. Picture that, diamonds the size of your arm. Now let's be real here, folks. A human journey to Neptune is practically impossible due to the extreme conditions. But perhaps a tough space probe could handle it. So there you have it, our grand adventure through the wild, windy, and scorching world of Neptune. It's a place of extremes, a true marvel of our universe. As we wrap up this cosmic journey, I'm left wondering where to next. My fellow explorers? Jupiter, anyone? The universe is our playground, and there's always more to discover. Until next time, stay curious. A journey to the wild world of Neptune, exploring its mysteries and extremes. Please like, share, and subscribe.